Imagine gliding through crystal clear water, spear in hand, eyes scanning for that elusive catch. The world beneath the waves is vibrant, teeming with life, and every moment feels like an adventure. Now picture capturing all of it, effortlessly, in stunning detail, without interrupting the flow of your dive or fumbling with bulky equipment. That's exactly what our video camera sunglasses are designed for, bringing you a seamless, hands-free way to record your spearfishing journey and snap unforgettable photos of every fish you land. Our innovative sunglasses combine stylish polarized lenses with a discreet, high-definition camera, offering a game-changing solution for underwater explorers. The camera is built directly into the frame, allowing you to capture everything you see from your own point of view. Whether you're stalking a school of snapper or celebrating a successful catch, just a simple tap activates the camera, leaving your hands free for what matters most. One of the biggest challenges spearfishers face is trying to document their experience without compromising safety or performance. Traditional cameras can be cumbersome, requiring you to pause, adjust settings, or even surface for a better angle. With our video camera sunglasses, you can forget about all that. The camera is always ready, instantly recording in vivid HD the moment you spot a fish or spear your target. The waterproof design ensures your sunglasses function perfectly, even in the deepest dives, so you never miss the action. Imagine the thrill of reviewing your footage later, watching yourself glide silently above the reef, tracking the movements of a grouper, or capturing the excitement as you reel in a monster catch. Every detail, from the shimmer of scales to the rush of bubbles, is preserved exactly as you saw it. And for those moments when you want a quick snapshot, our sunglasses make it effortless. With one touch, you can snap a picture of your catch and share it instantly, capturing not just the fish, but the pride and joy of the moment. But it's not just about convenience. These sunglasses are built for rugged use. The lenses offer UV protection and are scratch-resistant, perfect for the harsh glare and abrasive conditions you'll encounter on the water. The lightweight frame is comfortable for all-day wear, and the battery life is optimized to last through extended spearfishing sessions. Whether you're free diving in tropical waters or exploring rocky shorelines, you can focus on your adventure knowing your camera is capturing every second. Sharing your catches and underwater encounters has never been easier. When you return to shore, simply connect your sunglasses to your phone or a computer to transfer photos and videos. Relive the best moments, analyze your technique, or show off your biggest catches to friends and family. And if you're passionate about building your own spearfishing community, these sunglasses make it simple to create stunning content for social media. No editing required, just pure immersive footage from your own perspective. We want to hear from you. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, gear reviews, and exciting underwater footage. Leave a comment below and tell us about the biggest fish you've ever caught. How did it happen? What was the thrill like? And did you get a picture to prove it? Join our community of adventurers who love the ocean as much as you do. With our video camera sunglasses, every dive becomes a story worth sharing. Dive in, capture your world, and show everyone your greatest catches. Your next underwater adventure awaits. And with the right gear, you'll never miss a moment.